This judge is well known for his harsh sentencing. At the weekend, he sentenced a number of other defendants, all alleged members of the Muslim Brotherhood, to prison sentences of between 57 and 88 years. Now, he's certainly wanting to send a message that violence won't be tolerated. And, of course, these people have been sentenced over violence that happened in Minya in Upper Egypt in August last year after the violent breakup of the pro-Morsi sit-in here in Cairo. However, I think it's probably going to come as a big shock to some that the Muslim Brotherhood Supreme Guide Mohammed Badia and the Islamist former Speaker of Parliament, Saad al-Kathryn, have been sentenced to death. We could very well see a backlash because of that ruling, but it is at this point still a ruling and not a final verdict. The papers have to now be sent to Egypt's highest Islamic authority, the Grand Mufti, for him to give his decision. So as we saw with the other case today, this ruling could be changed when the Mufti makes his decision on the case. And of course, many of these defendants are not even in custody and have, in fact, been tried in absentia.
So, Kathryn, tell us a bit more about the fact that this decision could be reversed. As you mentioned today, the court reversed almost all of the 500 death sentences that it handed down last month. Give us more details on that, and what are the chances that the 700 death sentence issued today might be reversed as well? Well,
most of the 529 defendants originally sentenced to death have now had their sentences commuted to 25 years in prison. Only 37 of them had the death sentence upheld. And our local media had been reporting that that's what the Grand Mufti had advised when he was sent the papers in the case, that only those who were directly involved in killing the police officer when the police station was attacked that this case was about, that they should be sentenced to death. Of course, the 37 whose death sentences have been upheld can now lodge an appeal. That's what their lawyers have said they're going to do at this stage. So it could be that the appeals court orders a retrial or commutes the sentence to jail terms instead.